All right, we're gonna transition back to Trinity and Chua here, and we're gonna ask a couple questions here. If your business has no money, where do you get the funding from to run your business? Be like, hey, let's go to the bank.
Yeah, right. What if the bank said no and you don't qualify for a loan?
So let's hear from the EPI about their business financial fund service and the service you guys offer to support small business and financial needs.
So technically, we are working with the small business. Most of the time is our customer. So we are partnership with the bank as the direct lender, and we also partnership with the private lender to fund those small business. So we have different type of product. We offer different type of product from the bank and the private lender to fund those small business that really in need of capital or working capital to expand your business or grow, or you need money to open up a different franchise, a different location. You need to grow in general. So what kind of business we offer? Technically we offer all type of different product. So from SBA loan to short-term loan, long-term loan, working capital, credit line, invoice financing, equipment financing, and also merchant cash advance. We funding commercial real estate too, different type of project like hotel, parking ramp, and any kind of commercial real estate you need to buy the building for your business, for example, then please come to us.
how does the funding process work at EPI?
So the funding process is starting with one page of application. It's very simple. You guys just fill in the one page of application, and then authorize us to run your background check in all the business information and personal information. We check on your FICO. We check how long you are into the business. We need your SOS, stay of secretary, and the SS4 from IRS we gather those information. And after all the information from your business on the firm transfer into the bank. So we submit those application directly to the lender as well as the bank too. Because we're dealing with multiple private lenders. We consider ourselves like funding brokerage. And after a while, we going to receive multiple offer from the bank as well as the private lender. So you, as a customer, will have multiple offer, and then you have the right to pick out which one is the best loan for your business and which one term, duration, all kind of condition that you can think that is going to be fit into you are capable to pay back. Then you pick that loan, and then finally we close the deal and we sign a contract. And then the loan is directly from the lender or from the bank. So we are actually bridging the gap between the lender and the small business owner
But
to
not
do the funding.
not the middleman, or you are the middleman.
We are brokerage agency.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, I mean, so when the bank says no, this is the last part. EPI two service may say yes. What product is it?
So technically, some of the product one of the product we offer is called Merchant Cash Advance or MCA. So Merchant Cash Advance is the working capital from the private lender that's giving cash advance out for the business first, and is in the fast funding time frame. So that things maybe less than 72 hours, we can have the loan approval for you guys, and then we're moving to closing in 1 to 5 days.
Wow. Sorry. Who are the typical customers that you deal with?
So our customer is ranging from small business owner. We focus on the small business, a startup, fresh established business that have no historical of the doing business in the past, and it's also like suitable for those business, especially for those have daily cash transaction.
Yeah.
So suitable for salon, for bubble tea, bar, nail salon, the therapy shop, coffee shop, and then any kind of dairy shop.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are the beauties of a MCA product? Like, what's the benefits of that?
So the most benefits of the MCA products that we have is no collateral. So you don't have any collateral to sign up for this type of program. And it's a fast funding, it's get approval 24 to 70 hour that we can have the result saying yes or no, so that you can know that, oh, well, you don't get the approval, or you already get the approval. And after that, 1 to 5 days, if they approve you, then we go to closing process in about 1 to 5 days. Really fast.
Yeah.
Wow. I actually might use this.
One
Right? Hey,
of
we
them
got a
is
joke.
also, yep, you
Yo,
should-
maybe
you
we should talk.
business.
Maybe we should talk after
Yeah,
this.
we'll
There
talk
you
about
go.
it.
'Cause, yeah,
So what is the required documents to get financing?
So just like one page of the application that we actually have one page
Oh.
for all the business that they can fill out the information, and photo ID, a voided check, and 6 months of bank statement, a most recently tax return, and other requirement will be calculators after underwriters looking for, after you pass this one.
Are the underwriters kind of strict? Are they kind of mean?
Oh no, it's just like depend
Usually.
on. It just depends on the business, how the business is doing. So it looking at the basic daily cash flow.
Okay.
They pretty much is really much helpful. They communication with you.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are determining factors from the underwriters to get approved for the loan?
Yeah. So FICO, of course, the credit score first is the one that we need to notice that if you get higher FICO score, then of course easier and have more opportunity to being offered by multiple lender.
So 200 is not good.
Well, there's no 200 that I think about. Yeah, it's like about minimum 550 and
Yeah,
above.
yeah.
That your personal FICO score, and it's also like depend on how much is the average daily cash balance on your in your POS system, on how long you are in the business, and also the credit card acceptances.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. How does a customer pay back the lender?
So with the MCA Merchant Cash Advance, they just actually go into your the lender or the bank access directly into your
Account.
for daily transaction, and they can withdraw directly automatically payment for daily, weekly, or bi-weekly or monthly.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good.
So the term is depend on what the lender offer you guys. Yeah.
I see here something. What are restricted industries?
Oh, that's a good question. Yeah, so we don't fund for no finance company or bondsman.
So like bail bonds and all that stuff. That's restricted, right? 'Cause that's it.
What's a bondsman?
I'm thinking.
Is that when you need a bond to get out of jail?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like bail bond.
Maybe we can go
I
to
think I don't know
the.
what it is because.
What is the bondsman?
So
The finance company, of course, because it's like competitor. We don't fund those things. And then bondsman, I don't know.
bondsmen are kind of like
Someone
They're-
only money to buy a bond.
yeah,
Yeah,
it's literally
bond.
that. That's
To
why
get out of
it's like
jail.
something called like bail bonds. So when someone's
Do you-
convicted, they're put on. You can file for a bond. So that means if you're
Just money you owe.
money.
Yeah,
Trust
it's
me,
okay.
like you don't. If you don't have to go to a bondsman, that's a great thing in life. I'm just
Yeah.
gonna say that. That's a great thing to have. You don't have to go to a bondsman at all. But
Or the Commons can just destroy us for not knowing what a bondsman is,
come on.
and we'll be okay.
Yeah, we'll be okay.
I was
Yeah,
about
we
to
can
say,
cut
I was
it
about to
too.
be like, I was about to be like, Chad.
But you know,
You Hmong language.
oh yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and then
Oh, okay.
so
Yeah.
yep, and Chua, I'm gonna ask you a mong.
Okay.
You could say like jana ko jakamo jono la piero pe jo e
Yeah.
nyati ni cha pe che na e chpo na jo ko pe halu ang kin dau sana.
Yeah.
So como pe lo mong cho pe ko jo nyati pe che la chili po hai te EPI to service nó là do đã chỉ chết là ba ilu là lụa nó lý cha nè
dạ dạ của lúc bây chua ạ chua sản trong về của họ lựa cho EPI to service về nhớ được tờ EPI về là mua cho lại bookkeeping tax service mua payroll thì mua cost segregation cho nó nhỏ của yon sai luôn mong đi trả lại hết rồi mà
hai lý có hai tao rồi
dạ là mua cho service nó cho business basically của mà của chỉ tôi handle cho sáng tạo đó là mua lại cho service cho financial thế nào là mua nó tao đó là của một cho bookkeeping tax thì payroll thì ERC
Funding.
Okay.
yeah help funding thì cũng mua handle cho sáng nó cho họ cho bắt tan trên thì chuyện là cái thả rồi thì cũng họ chỉ cho xem là cho cũng chỉ qua cho sáng rồi thì cũng thả cho họ cũng qua thì họ cũng bao nè thì muốn bắt kịp bình thì nếu như cho ô lan lúa nhớ cho họ Minnesota nó là nhớ cho họ từ bây giờ ô tan cho nhớ tên Jamaica đó thì sao tao kể báo ô giờ đi bookkeeping payroll tax service nè thì bây giờ provide cho service nó nhớ cho được EPI ạ thì nếu có chỉ họ thì nhớ tới này thì share thôi chứ mà nhớ thì giờ có giờ lúc business có chỉ muaเขาnhớ cho họ ô có cho họ luyện tụi có cho nó tự rồi giờ hero đấy ạ thế nào có là chị bé provide cho service có tôi cho bé thà thì bé mà ô chọn video có chỉ có bỏ nhẹ có nhẹ thì bé provide cho service đó có thì ít khỏi của xã thà với họ retention employee retention credit họ nói với ít họ program lần đầu nó trừ bá được cho ô lan lúa cho năm mà lấy specifically hay tiệt small business nó sao
okay
chỉ cho business đó lo chỉ chỉ qualify thế là chỉ họ tiền ní họ cho ô chỉnh chỉnh sắp lại chỉ họ biết chồng món của những bỏ tiền là nhiều ô tán lại ạ nhiều ô restaurant ô nail spa thế nào nè phần đầu mà biết cho khách sạn họ cho nó sao đó họ là chỉ lo này ạ là nhớ cho hai tiền mua cầu chỉ lo sao gì W2 lo thế nào thì bé những phải đó cho nó tao họ cho company lo thì bé cũng mua được chỉ tao mainly vì cho nó đấy nhớ đó là bé cho client đó
okay
rồi giờ bé cho mỗi giờ nó chỉ tao bảo đó học program nó lo tôi nó bé thải ở nơi giờ học nhé bá là trong đời nó chữ bá đó cho small business là qua during COVID-19 là mua impact này ạ
là catch tao lỡ
là lúa marker in đá lo rồi giờ
là bông nhẹ lo giờ là catch tao là cho nên
ở đó là cho nhẹ là khó nhẹ cái là tìm mua là hoặc là catch tao đó là cho nên họ lử lô tên đấy
chơiอยู่ใจตัวเขาเนี่ยเตอเนี่ยจื้อหรอป้าอยู่รู้ละหรอ
เขาเนี่ยทำไมปูโดป้าโดตูจื้อองค์คอมเพลซ์เนาะแต่ฉันนึกเคลงม้วนนึกจอย W2 นึก payroll ตัวนึกจอยอันนั้นโอ้หรือตัวหนึ่งนะจะไปเคลงไงอ่ะแต่ฉันก็จู eligible แล้ว qualify to เคลงเทียนะ
โอเค
เจ๊ย่าเดี๋ยวก็เขาชี้ตัวเป้าจากโปรแกรมเนาะเอ็ก็ย่อยลุ่ม business เอ็ก็เดี๋ยวก็สาเป้าตัวฉันเนาะเจ๊ก็เขาสาเด็กก็ได้เราก็ qualify เจ้าของโปรแกรมนั้นนะเจก็ต้องรับไปถ่ายเจไปมา go in detail ที่ไปมาถ่ายเดี๋ยวเขา process อยู่โอลิจ่ายเจแต่ฉันน้อยเจยังให้ยอดเดีย IS เนี่ย apply เจ๊จงเลยแต่ IS เลยเนาะป้องกันมันสินะเจยังสิเชื่อหันตีชอบตัวอีชงเต้นนอนนะเราจึงชาcũng mua hay ạ còn lấy có khó phần là cá lòแต่ฉันยังเดียวโตเช่นตีเสื้อเจนี่ยังmua từ thế ít họ chỉ chế nhau nửa cây trâu nửa trong ấp hành gầu theo ấp hành gầu ý sức chế ấp hành gầu tứ tả là bút bế lúc trong tạc cá đâu có cây có dụ khỏi có họ tax này ạ chế là có được cái what is after three year
chơi ta cần nữa hả?
Ta cần nữa đâu có một họ tax amendment có một kho có họ tax này ở bên trong là ta đặc cá này có chỉ một chai một đó họ có tao hỏi gì là có đặc cá một what tax amendment đặc cá một kho có họ tax trong lúc trong có claim nữa à thì ta bên lúc trong có chỉ một chai claim là thì chỗ ấp hành gọi ý là chế ấp hành gọi block thầu lúc block thì mình thấy gọi chi tận đây là chế ta chai claim thế
Okay.
thì học program nó tà mà mất hay cho họ là bút khuyên kia nên cầu hay nên gọi ý sợ
Oh, so nego chen nego ý sư có chữ là
yeah
thêm
cho
lại.
họ during COVID-19 thầu impact your business đó xuất hiện rồi
Okay.
Chị-
Chế ta nego ý nó chế nego ó ý what you like.
watch like only 20 and 21
Oh, okay. So
So-
xiong nó so yo.
Yeah,
So xiong nó
xiong nó
yo
có-
nè có business mà impact in nego ý bự yo.
yeah nên gọi ý thì có chụp khuyên lấy next year lúc
Okay, next year cho.
next
Okay.
year mà
Trên chúa next year
hả
huh? 24, 22.
yeah
24,
25
22.
April
Okay.
chừng chúa time cho next clean up hành cầu ý tại mà mỗi hai giờ này do next chỉ báo học program nó giờ này lost illusion và next chỉ clean lại thì ý họ còn đó ý họ gọi nó tao đồ EPI to services cũng mua funding nó chỉ bình tàu những hàng chắc bên mua đồ bên hết tại mà bây giờ mainly customer chính là là một tổng bên tứ chỉ cả đó là out lời này ạ chỉ là lo đồ bên chỉ bên mua private lender chỉ bên submit là cho application là tôi run đó bên hiện bên collect được information chỉ bên submit bài này ạ chỉ bên mua private lender cho chúng chỉ là mà li tế tôi thì bé move forward đó có tụi client nó bé offer bolino họ term yearly nó nè offer bé nửa bỏ sắp này ạ chỉ họ bé mua cho offer đặc là thằng đó tụi client year nửa tiền nửa peg year nửa chỉ peg nó là nửa cú thì cú chỉ bài thế với đó họ thì họ term cú chỉ nhà này vậy nửa cú depend đó chỉ mainly chỉ cho start up chỉ chỉ cho mua này ạ bây giờ mua cho business hoặc là tự mua business hoặc tự mua cash flow rồi mua thì bank statement có khoảng bank statement những chủ lực thế là thấy cả phần
Okay. I see.
chị nếu như khai nào go similar là li loan application cho sự thế mà đó mà từ bé nó chỉ bé không mua more private lender more choice chance có nhiều tao họ lông nè tao được
Okay.
so I think đầu giờ họ cũng sẽ wrap up họ bé provide sự họ một cái đợt chỉ là tốt hơn bé thả bé mà hay bé bản thôi là thả kia này
Okay. So yo lo mo lo lu no na chi so la lu thế so yo lo yo pi la lu na che to to ne tha su ma.
dạ dạ mà
Okay.
giờ bé nhớ lúc đây khu EPI to services bé nhớ được tàu Indiana nhớ đi chơi tàu mò America thắt chặt tàu này
Okay. Yep.
dạ bé nhớ rồi họ nói là chỉ bé yên provide cho service nó cho thống tới America
Okay. 我领导们，我做，
Yeah.
我做那个节目诶，一做路就用了，都变龙啊。
dạ nó nhớ我 business 接我那个还应该一开18日
有嘛？
lỡ lỡ business lỡ lỡ looking to grow the business bé lỡ you provide your service nó cho lỡ to grow bé business same thing so
Yeah.
it's like thank you for này chừng cho tôi hay bé mỗi lúc sẽ hỏi đó là một check đó the EPI là what I chi này ạ
Yeah.
có bé only của những hai đó thì most of the time bé chọn món là những bố luôn món là nhá thì si ta hay luôn món cờ là bố thì do món ít thứ món họ lười tao gì tới rồi là họ
Yeah.
我学没学？
yeah
Yeah.
一种 yeah.
yeah so I think tới giờ họ bé qua đó chỉ giống một nó đã chưa
Okay.
khu đó
Only
bé
the-
đâu
Cool.
So we have 5. Oh, thank you, Joa, and thank you, Trinity. We have 5 minutes left. So if you guys want to have any other questions you guys want to ask, you guys are more than welcome to.
I did have one little.
Yeah, go ahead.
You need the W-2s to be able to claim
for the
For the
EFD.
grant?
for the grant.
Yes.
Okay, because if
It
you
has
if you
to be-
if you don't have any employees, then
No.
you can't.
Even though you
okay.
sell W2 you cannot claim for yourself
Oh.
just for your employee
Okay.
Okay.
so the 1099 not qualified
Okay.
Yeah.
so,
Okay.
So I did have a question. I want to ask you, Trinity.
Yes.
So how old are you, and when you started this whole business?
Oh my gosh.
You never ask a woman her age. Come
If
on.
you
now.
don't want to share that, how old were you when you started? Yo, because
You still look like you're in your early 20s.
yeah,
Yeah, for real.
and it's
20 years
it's amazing for you to like do all of this at such a young age. Is what I'm curious about, because it's
No.
that's a lot of determination and ambition for you to carry on, like being in so many states too now, and wow, it's just that's a
Yeah.
lot of responsibility you
Thank you,
taking.
Boo. So, can I not answer?
Yeah,
that?
you don't have to answer it.
Okay,
yeah.
but how
bro,
long?
please, like, you know, like Jared right here is 22, right?
Yeah.
He's my kid. My kid, like,
Well, okay. So what about How long have you been in the company, or you found the company? So how long has the company been?
So this company technically were filed in 2022. Until now is like 1.5 year. But we have several different business too that's filed at 7 years ago, and the other one is 10 years ago. So this is the new one.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
it's the
cool.
new baby.
That's
That's
amazing.
good. I always
Yeah.
gotta, make sure
Yeah.
the baby can grow and be strong, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. You guys wrap up the last page.
Yeah, I guess I can.
Maybe Jerry. Okay.
I guess I
Yeah,
can.
Jared, go ahead.
Ladies and gentlemen, that'll do it for today. We have one thing I do want to say is there are a lot of companies out there, doing bookkeeping, payroll, and tax. But why should you guys go to EPI 2 services? Well, let me tell you, their efficiency and effectiveness, they are very accurate, reliable, and precise. They're on time with their service. Their compliance with the IRS requirements. They save you time, and they focus on strategic growth, guys. Not just growth in general. That's too general. We're talking about we want you to be on the ball. They're gonna help you be on the ball. That's strategic growth right there. So outsource to EPI2 services to get the best professional service provider. So, in conclusion, EPI2 Services is more than just a financial solutions firm. Their team and professional partners are dedicated to helping businesses reach their full potential. With the extensive experienced, diverse team and comprehensive service offerings, EPI2 services are well equipped to handle the unique challenges faced by small businesses today. It helps you guys on developing your dream if you are going to be in the business industry. So, thank you for joining us on this episode of the Telemon Podcast. If you're a small business owner looking for expert financial services, be sure to check out EPI2 Services. Again, you can contact the EPI2 service team services of Miss Trinity Vo and Miss Chua Zhong. Phone number will be 651-374-4577. I'll say that once again, 651-374-4577. Their email info right here.
Email is info@epis2services.com.
There you go.
And also the business address if you want to give it to them.
You'll find them in Edina at 3601 West 76th Street, Suite 130 of Edina, Minnesota. Thank you guys so much. This is the Telemon Podcast. Shua, if you have anything else to plug at the end.
Thank you, Jared. That was beautiful. And thank you, Trinity. And thank you, Chua, you guys, for joining us at the Telemon Podcast. All right.
All right, guys.
right.
That's
Thank
it.
you so
Thank you so much. And
Thank
that's
you,
we're out.
Podcast.
Yes.
At EPI to Services, we are always ready to listen and support you for your growth. For further information about our products, services, or require assistance from our professional team, do not hesitate to contact us.